Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about things that you can do to help with strengthening your nails. Natural holistic ways that you can try today in order to help in strengthening these weak nails. Now if you haven't yet subscribed, share, like and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. We do daily videos talking about health and wellness tips and tricks. Let's get started with our first way to strengthen those nails. I highly recommend a supplement with biotin, because biotin is an amazing form of B vitamin, which is known also as vitamin H. You can use that 3 times a day with food, and it's also been really kind of known for helping with increasing your hair, strengthening your hair, strengthening these nails, because it's primarily made also from keratin. It's also the same material that's found in human nails. So if your nails are weak, if your nails are brittle, biotin would be great to help in thickening and in strengthening them. But it does not work instantly, and I've seen people even go to mega doses of 5,000 megadoses of biotin, and this is absolutely harmful. What that will do is that will actually cause a lot of breakout in your face in most cases, and a lot of adverse effects as well. So stay safe, start off small with biotin, and you will gradually feel the difference. Also, you can take this for up to 6 months. Of course, you would also need to consult with your medical practitioner to see if this is something that works good for you, because we don't know your specific health conditions, and some vitamins and some supplements can clash with your own things that you're already taking as part of your routine. If you don't want to take a biotin supplement, then maybe you want to opt for some great food sources of biotin. What are these? Well, basically we have rice, we have nuts, we have barley, and we have soya. Another thing that you can also take internally to help with the weak nails is nettle tea or horsetail tea. On this channel I talked a lot about nettle and horsetail. They are one of the traditional herbs widely used here in Finland, and they're also very high in biotin, high in silica, high in all the minerals that our hair, nail and skin needs in order to flourish, in order to thrive. So you can use them in tea bags. You can also, if you are in a location such as here in Finland where they grow in the wild and in the forest, then maybe you can harvest yourself some horsetail and some nettle, dry them up and use them as tea all year round. Thank you so much for watching. We've talked about the best ways you can help in strengthening your weak nails, which include a biotin supplement, biotin food sources, as well as horsetail and nettle tea. Don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you on board.